Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm fishing this river and I just caught my PB Smallie. Look at that. It's on a nice chunk of worm. Uh-oh. I hope he didn't swallow that whole thing. But let's get him unhooked. Okay guys, here it is. It's a real nice smallmouth. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to go get a weight and try to measure it. Alright, there is him next to my pole because I don't have a measuring tape. And I did catch him on a little piece of worm. Not any actual lures, but I'm gonna get my scale out and let's see. Okay guys, there she is in all her glory. There we go. Look at the beautiful stripes on this. Alright, let's get her back. Okay guys, I'm gonna put her back in the water and go eat and then catch some more. Look at that. Look at that beautiful fish. Come on. And okay. Hold on. Let's get her a bit of oxygen in there. There we go. She's gone. Alright guys, I just took one more cast for good luck before I went to eat. I just caught my lifer and PB buffalo. I think this is buffalo. If it's not, correct me in the comments. But we are gonna get her unhooked and get back to fishing. Okay guys, so sadly I did accidentally gill hook it, so I don't think it's gonna survive. And the hook is still in there. The line broke as I brought him up. But yeah, I think we're gonna have to just put it back. I'm gonna try to get pliers to get the hook out, but let's hope this fish lives. Okay guys. There's the official weight, 0.9 pounds. There's the buffalo. And I'm gonna get some pictures. Okay guys, I did get the hook out of the mouth. And I hope it survives, but let's get it back. Okay guys, now I am in my brother's kayak. And I just casted out another piece of worm. That is where I caught the smallmouth and the buffalo. Yeah, I think it's a buffalo. But here I am on the kayak trying to catch more from that spot. And I will be going all the way down past all that. See you when I catch a fish. Alright guys, third species of the day. Bam. I think that is a channel catfish. I don't really know my catfish too well, but that is a nice one. I don't want to get spiked, but I'm gonna unhook it and hopefully I don't need pliers again. Alright guys, here it is. I did not get it out because my brother is coming with the pliers, but look at that nice catfish. There's no need on weighing it because it's obviously not even half a pound. Slapped me, but that is a nice catfish. Be sure to not get spiked when you pick them up by that, and right under my hand is another spike, but you have to just push it down and then hold these out. They have little barbs and one just poked me and that hurts a lot, so gonna adjust my finger. And while I'm waiting for my brother to come with the pliers, I am just dipping it in the water so it does not die, because this is a beautiful little catfish. Wow, look at that. It's my lifer and PB catfish as well. 2 lifers today, and 3 PBs, and 3 different species. Today is a really good day. Look at that beautiful catfish. Okay guys, I got the hook out. There it is next to my pole. It's a really nice one. I'm gonna get some pictures and let it go. Alright guys, my second buffalo right there. The hook out. Oh, maybe the hook is too far in. Okay, I'll get the hook out, but this is my second. It's not my PB.